Okay, P1. We're back with the Work EDU How Occupations and Technology book. Today we're going to be doing review of skilled work. Remember, everything we learned, we're going to talk about it, and then you have a test in the next video, okay? So today is review. So go to page 78. Now, we've already learned this in class, so we're going to talk about it in review. So types of skilled work. What kind of skilled work do we have? Electrician works with setting, installation, maintenance, and fixing electrical appliances. So he fixes the lights, he fixes the refrigerator, he fixes the fans. Electrical workers. Go to page 80. So now we have the plumber work. Here's the plumber. What does he do? He fixes water appliances, so the pipes, the taps, and the sanitary ware. So everything that uses water, your toilet, the sink, at school you have the water fountain. He fixes that so you can use it. And the shower too. Now we have the carpenter. What does he do? He fixes the wooden furniture, tables, chairs, beds, doors, and windows. So he works with the wood and he fixes things like that. We have metal work. What does he do? They fix anything with metal. So we have the fences, the shelves, the gates. Maybe at school we have, what else do we have that's metal? The refrigerator, we have the fans are metal. So anything with metal, they fix. Go to page 81. So now we have mason works. They are the ones that do the buildings. They work on the buildings. Your school, Big C, they do all of this and other construction. They help build the buildings. We have the painters. What do? They paint and decorate. So the buildings, they paint the buildings, they decorate it. So you see here. Now we should have this done, okay? Let's check your work. So in this picture, you have to check which one is skilled work. The doctor or the construction, the mason work. You should have this one is the skilled work. Go to page 82. Okay, remember we have the metals work and the fisher. Which one is skilled? You should have this one checked. We have this picture. We have the guy with the saw. Which one is skilled work? You should have this ticked. Okay? And then remember, we have here, write the letter that goes to the right spot over here. Okay? So we're going to check this and we put it over here. Let's check. Page 83. So you should have these letters for each one. So you're just checking your work. Now we go to page 84. And 84, you should finish already. This is an example. Maybe you have something different. That's okay. This is an example. And skilled work produces things we need for everyday life. Now, we learned this in the last video, okay? But we're going to talk about it again real quick. Page 85. Okay, so the last video, we talked about this. The cutters. Remember, what are they used for? Cut material like cardboard. Scissors. What are they used for? Cut paper and fabric. Hammers. Hammer and smash things. Saw to cut wood. The ruler to measure length. The screws to hold things. The nuts and bolts to hold things too. Nails used to hold things in place. And the screwdriver used to screw or unscrew, okay? Go to page 86. Remember the tools and equipment for skilled work, using it safely. 1. Carefully use tools and equipment. 2. Check the tools and equipment before you use them. 3. You wear the right clothes and equipment to be safe. 4. You put the tools and equipment away after you finish. And 5. Never play around with the tools. You don't want to play with the tools. You might hurt yourself. You should have this finished. Remember, we did this, so you should have all of this. So this, you should finish already. It should be done from last video. And so this is review. Because next video, you're going to have a test on everything, okay? All right, thank you.